Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change your location on Facebook quickly and easily. Whether you've moved to a new city, started a new adventure, or simply want to update your profile's accuracy, this short guide will help you do it in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on your home screen, tap your profile picture or name to go to your personal profile page. This is where all your personal information appears, including your current city and hometown. Next, tap Edit Profile. This button brings up the editable sections of your profile, things like your bio, profile photo, and featured details. Scroll down until you find the part labeled Current City or Hometown, depending on which one you want to update. Once you see it, tap Edit. A box will appear where you can type in your new location. Start entering the name of your city or town, and Facebook will automatically suggest matching locations. Choose the correct one from the list to make sure it appears accurately on your profile. After you've selected your new city, tap Save. Facebook will update your information instantly, and the new location will appear on your profile page. It's that simple. If you ever move again or want to change your displayed city, you can follow these same steps anytime. It only takes a moment to keep your Facebook profile fresh and up to date. So, to quickly recap, open the Facebook app, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile, scroll to Current City or Hometown, tap Edit, enter your new location, and tap Save. That's all you need to do. Now your friends, family, and followers will see your latest location whenever they visit your profile. Thanks for watching.